我哋而家咧就嚟到5年級嘅 Max 私人嘅現場，我哋而家即刻睇下有幾震撼嘅場面。哇！呢個真係好精彩啊！呢度現場咧有好多雕刻嘅名人喎。呢個係阿最欣請你過嚟睇下。
Hello everybody, my name is Mahoyan Haley. I'm from class 5D. Can you guess why I'm acting as? I'm born in England in 1926. I'm a queen. I'm famous because I play a key role in maintaining of the UK. Now you should know who I am. Yes, I am Queen Elizabeth. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.
哇！呢個真係好精彩啊！我哋睇下一個。今次咧呢個蠟像咧好似嗰個皇后喎，我哋即刻睇下啦。Hello everybody, my name is Amy Lau. I'm from class 5A. Can you guess who I am acting as? I was born in Hong Kong in 1965. I am a singer. I am famous because I have represented Hong Kong in various international competitions and have gained attention for my performance. People think I sing very nice and I am so humble because I win so many prizes, but I didn't feel proud. My song was good, so many people like me. Now you should know who I am. Yes, I am Priscilla Chan Wei Han. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you. 哇！呢個真係好精彩，我哋再嚟下，我哋再睇下一個。之後哥哥啊，你做一日雕像，你覺得有咩感想啊？
我覺得好開心，因為我今日係第一次可以做到愛因斯坦係我最中意嘅名人嚟㗎。
咁希望你可以繼續追求夢想，可以做到好似愛因斯坦咁啦。拜拜，拜拜。我哋而家咧就揾到校長，我哋趁機訪問下佢。校長，你聽完所有同學，你覺得邊一個最優秀啊？
哇！好多個都好優秀喎，我覺得培僑小學最優秀。
Miss Ma， 你覺得咧，我哋培僑小，你覺得我哋而家呢個場面咧，邊個係最好啊？
其實咧，你望落去咧，我都真係好難揀啊！個個咧5年班嘅學生咧，都咁出心出力，咁精心設計佢哋嘅廣告啦，同埋佢哋嘅服裝啦，我真係覺得佢哋好犀利㗎。所以如果有得俾我揀嘅，佢哋每個人都應該有獎㗎。你覺得係唔係啊？
係。
咁你又覺得咧？你今日最欣賞佢哋啲乜嘢啊？
我咧覺得咧，佢哋嘅衣着好特別，同埋佢哋個稿都好長，我覺得。
係啊，如果到你做嘅時候，你估你想扮咩咧？
我可能會扮下公主、國王或者運動員。
你咧？仲諗緊？唔緊要，俾啲時間你，因為好快就會到佢哋㗎啦。嗱，小朋友，如果你未有今次咧參加我哋今次嘅 Wax Museum Talent Show 嘅話，唔緊要，去到5年班就係你哋嘅機會啦。